Alright, what is up, vlog fam? I'm using the vlog fam now, that's weird. Anyway, it is Monday. It is a new week here. We are not super busy, but we're busy at the same time. Basically, we have to, this week, finish airline install, Sandblaster install, removal of old air compressor and air system, and let's see here, what else we gotta do? Oh, we've got a few things to spray here at the beginning of the week here, so gotta definitely do that. We're gonna do some stripping today, and like I said, I've got a few raw metal pieces I gotta do here. So anyway, so we're about to get with the program on that. Weirdest weather right now. It was like high of 60 and raining all weekend. Now it's been raining here a little bit this morning, but supposedly gonna be 86 this afternoon and humid. So we're gonna try to get done here by noon. Also gonna try to get the little CRF 50 coated today. So basically coating stuff and a little bit of acid dipping, a little bit of airline install, because we're pretty close on where I want to be for that right now. So anyway, mail's going in the mailbox, and then it's time to work. Alright, so first up on the agenda this week, we have 14 of these little plate thingies. I don't really know what they're for. It was just a connection through Facebook. Anyway, don't have the Sandblaster in-house yet, and I don't really want to just spray raw, so we're going to take our sander here, sand these bad boys, just a little bit on each side, then they'll be ready to go. Alright, what is up everybody? We are back with another episode of the CRF 50 build. Now as you can see here, we have the bike sitting here. The frame, it's in primer. We basically sandblasted and then primered it as soon as we got back to hopefully prevent rust. Yeah, this tab's got a little rust on it, but whatever. So anyway, what we're going to do today is we're actually going to get color on these parts. Nope, out. So we got everything chromed here, as you can see, chrome there, chrome frame, all the parts for the 50 are chrome. So now I've got the pink loaded up. So we're gonna shoot a few parts here in pink, see how that goes, and then clear coat, and then I'll show you guys after I have everything cleared what it looks like. Actually, I don't think I think this is going to be green. Maybe it should be pink. I don't know, I'll leave it on the stand. Anyway, off to shoot some pink. Alright, so wrapping up Monday here. Pretty good day. Mini bike parts, we didn't get those clear coated, but that's okay. Had kind of an emergency job come in, so that's in the oven baking right now. Outgassing other parts. Yeah, we got those headers finished up, paid for, they're out of here. Trying to think, do we have anything else that we did today? I don't know. But overall, I feel like it was a pretty productive Monday. So, oh yeah, we did get all of these plates done. So that's a major positive there. So, have to do a picture and send a text tomorrow for that. Other than that, it's wrapping up Monday. Tomorrow, sandblaster, coating. Should be good. Alright, what is up everybody? Welcome to Tuesday. So I bought this cheap open and close sign. To put on the door, I think is where I'm gonna put it, over here, just in case anybody. I don't usually have people show up, at least not a lot of people that just randomly show up, but I figured for the few that did, we could put it up here, especially if for like today when we're going sandblasting. So let's put this on the door and see what it looks like. All right, well, I guess that works. Probably the wind will blow it off or some dumb shit today, but at least it's up there. Now it's time to get ready to go to the blaster. All right, so oh, you hear that rattle? Oh, I can't wait to change this exhaust. Anyway, so when I came out this morning at like 6 a.m. to let the dog out, it said it was gonna rain today. However, now it's not supposed to rain today, so I loaded everything in the big new truck. If it's not gonna rain, I don't need to take the big new truck. So we're about to swap stuff into the S10. All right, back from the Sandblaster. Parts are blasted, so first thing up, we got to get these things in primer before they completely rust away because it's humid as hell. So blow off, hanging, primer, go. Okay, what is up, everybody? Tuesday night, evening-ish. So the girls are off to ballet, which means I get to work for an hour or so here. So tonight, basically, we are finishing up our airline install here. I've got 2 more runs to do here. Go around, tighten everything up, and then we should be good to go, hopefully, once my last air hose shows up. So I am going to get to work on this here, and hopefully get it done pretty quick here. So anyway, I'm off. All right, what is up, everybody? Here it is now Wednesday. Work-wise, nothing going on. I got everything done in 2 days, which isn't bad. My goal of $1,000 a week worth of work to do. This week, obviously a slower week. Those last few days of nice weather have been here, so haven't really been getting a lot. But with doing the little bit of stuff I did like $500 in 2 days, so I feel pretty good because it's like, well, if we could do that, double it, $1,000 in 4 days. 4-day work week would be awesome. But anyway, so I spent this morning, I have the, can you see it here? Yes, there it is. I have the Rapid Air airline system in all the way. We have, we ran the conduit. It's not fully run here because we are building basically a closet around the air compressor. But the air compressor is at least wired in at this point here. We got the hoses hooked up between the compressor and the air cooler. We got our last hose in, so that's cool. So basically what I need is I need a few little pieces to go from 3/8 down to 1/4 inch, I think, as far as airlines go. So I need a few little pieces. I need 1, 2, yes, looks like 3. And I need a 3/4 inch cap to cap the air system, and then we can fire it up with some air. We can let the air loose on the system and see where we get to. So I'm gonna have lunch, hit the gym, and then hit Menards up and get those few pieces here, and then hopefully by tonight we have an air system that's in and ready to go. We can take the old compressor and air cooler out and yeah, then have the new air system completely in, so that'll be cool. But anyway, I'm gonna go get that stuff and I'll be back. Whew. Okay, so I have all of the airlines now in place. So we're going to build up some pressure here with the air compressor, and then slowly open the valves here and see what happens. Okay, got a little over 50 pounds of pressure here. Let's open the valves here. So this is the valve from the compressor to the air cooler. Okay, and now here we go with the valve from the air cooler to the system. Amazingly,
is this air hose hooked up?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just a second though. There's not much pressure in it right now. I'm just listening for leaks anywhere.
You got one?
I'm just listening for leaks, but I don't think there's... Okay, well, hold on a second. I'll turn that on. There's a little air leak up here above the powder room, but it's where I have a T instead of an elbow. It's like literally coming out of here. So I think if I swap this out for an elbow, which I've got like 3 extra T's and literally no elbows. Okay, let's give this a shot. Let's see what happens here. Let's pressure it up and see if we get anything. 3, 2, oh wait, air cooler and compressor. Okay. All right, well we did it. We blew this elbow apart. So I have to fix that. But other than that, everything else seems to be staying together so far. So we'll fix that here after dinner and continue to build pressure in the system and see where we get to. Okay, so got that corner put back together. Just did a test run. This air compressor, which is an Emax, energy efficient, whatever, it's got the quiet technology. It is fairly quiet. It was said to fill, it's got a 10 horse motor on it, was said to fill this 80-gallon tank up to 175 PSI in 4 minutes. It did it in 3 minutes, 45 seconds. So that's a positive. Now we're gonna open the system here and see if we blow any lines anywhere. Okay, so at 175 PSI, we have created a little leak there. Oh boy, and we blew something. What did we blow? Oops, we blew the cap off the end. Whoopsies. Okay, where did that go? I gotta find this now. All right, tighten that back in. Let's try this again. Okay. Okay. Anything? Okay. All right, seems okay for right now. Got a few minor air leaks. It's leaking out of the thing here. Leaking out of the water trap there. And I hear kind of over here where I made this little jumper hose. Right up here, there is a small hiss. Maybe it's not even there, maybe it's somewhere else up there. But anyway, yeah, so a couple little, really little ones. But this is gonna be enclosed back here, so we won't really hear that often. And yeah, okay, all right, cool. Air system's up and going. Good Wednesday. Tomorrow, blast cabinet comes home. Ah, shit. All right, guys, welcome to Thursday. Still overcast, still dreary, still raining, but we are going to get our new Sandblaster because let's face it, this is when we have time to do it. So we are off here to get that. Me and the lady gonna take a couple trucks up, put dust collector in one, sandblaster in the other, be good to go. So let's go get it. All right, we are back here at the sandblaster picking up the blast cabinet and the dust collector. Just getting her off the old skid right now. How's it going down there?
Not bad.
All right, we're about loaded. Blast cabinets in that truck, dust collector in this truck. Fingers crossed we make it home with no accidents. Thank you. All right, so Thursday, wrapping up here. Didn't go at all as planned. We did get the blast cabinet in the shop finally. We got the dust collector in here too, so I'll just have to place those tomorrow, get them filled up with sand and get going on it. So Thursday was not a great day. We didn't get a lot done. But anyway, hopefully Friday will be better. All right. Welcome to Friday here. Workload's still super small. We got a few pieces to do, but no big deal. But what we do have to do is we need to get this wired up in place. This is the dust collector hooked up to our blast cabinet, which we also need to get the lights put in and get it hooked into the air system. But what we did this morning, we went to Menards, we got some shelving. So we have a shelf to go in right here. We have another shelf that is going to go in right here. This shelf is going to be the bigger project because this whole bench is coming out. So this is going to be a bit of a thing. So we're going to do the other shelf first and then start working on this one. And hopefully by the end of the weekend here, this shop is going to look good. We do have wall coverings we need to get for these walls here. So we've got some stuff to do. But like I said, hopefully by the end of the weekend here, it's back to looking somewhat organized, which I'll be super happy about if it is. So anyway, I'm gonna get to work here. Update soon. All right, cool. So we'll wrap up our Friday here. We didn't get the sandblaster hooked up, in place, anything like that. We have been working on shelving. So we did get this shelf back here. However, I didn't buy enough. I need a top shelf for it, and then we can put another tub up there. And then actually this shelving unit, I'm missing basically a whole shelf worth of beams. And I had a brain fart and I bought all the racking pieces. So like the mesh that goes in there, the wood that goes in there, I bought enough for what would have been this shelf in the width of the other shelf, and this shelf I bought enough for what I needed over. It's a mess. Anyway, so I have some pieces to take back. I have some pieces that I need to get to finish this shelf up and the other one. And yeah, we just had a drop off here. Huge off-road bumper with a bonus piece. I don't know what the bonus piece is for. But anyway, so that's nice. That's a nice payday there. So anyway, yeah, that wraps up Friday. Not sure what we're doing this weekend here, but if we do something cool, you'll see. If not, this is the end. So live in wonder for 0.2 seconds.